Hey everyone, welcome to the Vlad channel. Today I'll show you how to create texture packs for Minecraft. First, search Google for Minecraft texture pack template. We just need a blank template, so download that. Once the file downloads, open it up and extract the contents to your desktop. After unzipping, you'll see a folder named after the pack. Throw the contents into that folder. If you want a custom pack icon, add your desired image here and name it pack. To change block textures, navigate to assets/minecraft/textures/blocks. Here you'll find images for each block. Right-click the one you want to edit and open it with Paint 3D. Make your changes in Paint, then click Save to update the texture. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more. Wishing you all the best. Until next time.